Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture, we are going to look at string formatting. In previous video, we have talked about string data type, but in this video, we are going to know about how to play with string data type. So guys, we have faced this issue in the last video also that we can't add numbers and string together, but that is a really common thing to do in a program. We have converted that number into the string and then we added it, but in this video we will not convert that number into string. Then how we gonna add it? So this time guys, what I will do is I will just type print and then I will say that my age, and while doing this add age here and then cover it with curly braces. So instead of doing this, what I will do is I will just remove this str function from here to convert it into the string, and I will remove this plus and I will add f in front of the quotation mark and I will write age into the curly braces and here I will close the string. So check out this guys, what we call it as f string, and then our string started and my age, and then here we have typed our value as age into the curly braces, and then I'm going to run this. Data types file will run. So here you can see my age is 47. So we have successfully executed it and we have got the output too. So fstring is only something available in Python 3.6 and above version. So make sure you are using Python 3.6 or above version to use fstring. Let me give you another example. As we have, first let me remove all these print statements. Now what I'm gonna do is I will print this greet variable and this name variable with using fstring. So here you can see we have got the output in the string form too. As earlier we have here age, but this time we have name that has a value of string. So that worked too, and this worked on double quotation mark and on single quotation mark both. I can even add f here also, and then I will give variable into the curly braces here. Now if I just print only greeting, check out this, I have got the output same as the previous one. Now let's move toward to the different method of formatting. This time what we gonna write it, we gonna say that we gonna remove this f string and we will just leave it with empty curly brace, and now we will type it as jc greet. So this is our new variable now, and in this we will type here greet dot format and then we will type the name. Here you can see that we don't have f string, so just remember it, and let's type out the Jesse grid. As you see that we have got the variable name, so you can just hit the tab also to finish the rest of the part. As you can see we have got the output here too. So what's the reason behind? Let's check it out. So first it will take the greet variable, and in the greet variable we have morning comma and then it will come to the curly braces. So here we have till now curly braces, but then it come to dot and format. So what does format do? So format has these brackets and the value is, we have a variable name here and the value is Jessica. So the format, it will do is it will take this value and replace it with the curly braces and then we will get the out. Let's make it a little bit more difficult for you from here. If I give here equal sign and then type here another name as Karthik, and then make sure you write it in the quotation mark, and then I will write here the same variable name here. Okay, so you have know that we have right here the name and the name indicates is Karthik. So what it will just change the variable name as Karthik and then print it as morning Karthik. But what will happen if I give here name equal to name? Will it give some error or it will just run? And if it will run, then what will going to happen? So guys, this printed morning Jessica, but does this name is equal to this name is really equal? No guys, this name represent the name into the curly braces, but this name represented the variable that have value of Jesse. Don't feel like you have to do this all the time. It's just an example that I wanted to make it a little bit more of complex. Well, the key benefit of doing something like this is that the template is now much more readable because it is obvious that you are going to print it morning and then the name. In addition, it of course works if you change this variable name which is still being used inside the string is now equal to my name. So now you can relate it with my name as Jessica and her name is representing this. I hope you are getting it. Now let's move for backward again. I will remove this name again and then I will do this the same. The curly braces are still empty. There is no F string here and here we have the same variable name as name and it will again print the same thing. So I just make it a little complex, I know, but don't worry, it won't be used mostly. So just remember the F string thing and the thing that I have taught you in previous week. That's it guys for the string formatting. And one more thing that I want to tell you about is indexing. So from here the things getting interesting for all of. Now if I want to print only double s from the variable name, so what I will do is I will just say name and then I will just, so here guys you can see we have got the double s, but how we got it I will tell you about it. So guys, this is the index number for this string.
0 represents J, 1 represents E, 2 represents S, and 3 represents S, and then 4 represents I, 5 represents C, and 6 represents A.
So here I called from 2 index number 2 to index number 4. But here index number 4 will not be printed out. It will stay less than 4. So here we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. But it will not print out the 4. So we have got the double F. We will focus more on indexing. So don't worry. Sit back, relax, stay safe. Bye. See you in the next one.